Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to change your system font? Alright, as you can see here, look at my font right here. It has changed. And you might notice that this font looks familiar. Alright, it is because it is from Samsung itself. And the font is called Choco Cookie. Alright, where did I get that and how do I set it up on my computer? You might ask. Well, the first thing that you need to do here is just go ahead and go to your favorite browser and look for fonts online. For example, I'm going to look for Choco Cookie font because I love this one. All right, hit enter. And you can see here, there are a ton of links right here, but this one is working for me. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and hit on the download font for free. All right, I have downloaded this one earlier, and as you can see, I have already set it up. But as you can see here in my URL box, the font is changed as well. You can use this font on any Microsoft apps as well, all right, like Word, PowerPoint, etc. Or if you don't want this font, you can go ahead and click on this one right here and look for fonts that might suit you. Now, what you're going to do next, once you have the font downloaded, for example, here, I have it downloaded in here, I'm going to go ahead and extract the files into the desktop itself so we can locate it easily. All right, you can see here. So what you're going to do with this file. So just right click on it and hit on install or install for all users. If you have multiple accounts on your Windows device, just go ahead and install for all users or just install, doesn't matter. All right, and simply wait for the process to finish. Once done, go back to your favorite browser and type in WinAero Tweaker. All right, right here, click on that. Be careful to select here. Just download this one. All right, from WinAeroTweaker.com, not from WinAero.com. All right, this one. Or just type it down in the URL box. Then once done, just go ahead and hit on download. Once the download is done, open it up, install. Once done installing, locate the shortcut, run it. There'll be a prompt, just click on yes. All right. And once you're in here, you're gonna want to scroll down a bit until you see this section right here, advanced appearance settings. Here, there are three options: message font, status bar font, and the system font. If you want to, you can change all of these three right here. But if you want just the system font, just like what you've seen here, just go ahead and go to system font. By default, it is ticked right here at the top. Just go ahead and tick on this one, use the following font, change system font, and locate your newly added font. All right, make sure to remember the name of your font. So for this example, it is a Choco Cookie. There you go. I'm just going to hit on enter. And as you can see here, there's a prompt. Just go ahead and sign out now, then log back in. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see that your fonts are now changed. All right, let me show you on Microsoft Word right here. All right, new document. I'm going to look for Choco Cookie. There you go. As you can see here, I'm going to zoom in. Hi. This is a font using Choco Cookie. There you have it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.